Hello class, this is Mr. Mark. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your table and set up the equations in your table for your shopping spree spreadsheet. So to create the spreadsheet, the first thing we need to do is go to Office Online. So let's click here and choose Excel Online. Now remember, we only do this the very first time when we're creating our spreadsheet. After, if we want to work on it again, go back to it later, we go to our backpack. We don't create a new document again. So Excel Online, and I'm going to call this Shopping Spree, and click Continue. You can call yours the same. Now the first thing I have to do is set up my table. I'm going to set up my table by giving it a title. My country, and my country is going to be France. So as you can see here, my text is too big for the cell. So if you want to make it a little bit bigger, put your cursor between the two columns and click and drag. There we go. So, my country, France. Now, in the second, in A2, I'm going to type item. So this is where we're going to put all of our items, right here, all the things we're going to buy. And here, we're going to put the price of everything we're going to buy. So, there we have it. We've got the beginning of our table. Now that we've got our table set up, we need to go shopping. So we saw how to do that in videos before. So if you need help remembering how to go shopping and how to convert currency, please go back and see those videos. But I'm going to go shopping right now, and I'm going to fill in all the items I'm going to buy and the price of each of those items. I'm going to convert them all from US dollars to Thai baht. So I'll be back in 2 minutes. Bye. Wow, that was exhausting. I've been shopping online and I bought all sorts of things, and everything that I bought was French. So I can't wait to go back to Thailand and share all of these things that I bought with my family and friends. Now I bought some cheese, I bought a French knife, a French hat, some French perfume, some French sausage, wine, newspapers, water, some more cheese, some coffee, and some Yves Saint Laurent socks. And I've converted them. These are the prices in Thai baht. Now what I have to do is I need to add all of these prices together to make sure that I'm not spending too much money. So let's go ahead and click. Let's click about down here, maybe 3 or 4 cells below to give ourselves some space in case we need to add something more. And let's go up here and click Auto Sum and press Enter. And that is how much I have spent. So I'm going to add money spent, and that's how much money I've spent. Now, I need to see how much money I've got left. So, my budget. My budget is 10,000 baht. Now, if I want to calculate the money that I have left for an equation, we type the equal sign and click on 10,000 minus this. So B18 minus B17 will tell me how much money I have left. And let's see how much money I have left. Woo! I have 129 baht left. So, I didn't spend too much. Now let's say I wanted to buy a loaf of bread. I wanted to bring some bread back from France. Now the bread costs 220 bought, and I press enter. Watch what happens to my money spent and my money left. So 3, 2, 1, enter. So as you can see, I have negative 91. That means I spent 91 baht too much. Can I buy that loaf of bread? I'm afraid I can't. I don't have enough money. So let's take that and press delete. Okay, and there we have it. Now, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how to format this to make it look nicer. Okay, class, now we're going to talk about formatting. Here, we have the title. Now, the title should be the biggest thing on your page, right? So let's go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. I'm going to click on the cell, A1, and up here in font, we can change the style, make it Arial black. We can change the size. Let's make it 20. There we go. Now, the item and price, I want to make them bold, and I want to make them maybe a little bit bigger. Let's say 16. I also want to change the color of this cell. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to change this to light blue. My item, I'm going to have it, let's have it green, and the price, purple. There we go. Now I want to make this a little bit bigger, maybe make it 12. There we go. And this is really important down here, so I'm going to make this bold. I'm going to make it bigger. And I'm going to do the same thing for this. So you just select, and you choose the size, you choose bold, and there we go. Now I don't need these cells anymore, so if you want to delete a row, you right-click and delete row. Right-click, delete row. Now, money left, I want to make this a different color as well. So I'm going to make this orange. Okay, so there's my table. It looks a lot better. Now, the last thing that we need to do, and I'm going to come back and teach you how to do this. The last thing we need to do is put the baht sign on our money. We want to have the baht sign, right? We don't know what currency this is, so we need to show people what the currency is. So I'll be right back and I'll show you how to put the baht sign on your numbers. Okay, I'm back now. Let's see how to put the baht sign on our numbers. Let's go ahead and select, click, and drag all the way down so that we select all of our prices here. Now, we're going to right-click and choose Number Format. Now, we're doing currency, so let's click on Currency. Now, we don't want a dollar sign. We want a baht sign. So we're going to go down here and search for baht, search for baht, search for baht. Where's the baht? Search for baht, search for baht. Are we getting there? There we go. There's Thai baht. I select Thai baht, and I press OK. So there we have it. We have it in Thai baht. Now look at this. We have the satang. I don't really want satang. So the way that we remove the satang is, while we have this still selected, we go over here and decrease decimal. We click once. We still need to click one more time. And there we have it. Our Excel spreadsheet for our shopping spree is now finished. Now, if you need to watch this video again, you can start from the beginning, or you can go back and just click at different spots in the video to find what you need to review. Good luck!